What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be out on Lake St. Clair, and my buddy Chris told me that he'd never been ice fishing before. I jumped at the chance to introduce him to this wonderful sport. Days like this are why mentorship in the outdoors matters. Getting someone new out there, keeping it simple, and just letting fishing be fun. We're set up chasing perch with the chance of a few other species cruising through. No tip-ups today, just jig pulls, waxworms, and two buddies in a shack catching fish. Now let's get into it. Coming up on our first pressure ridge. Just step over that part. It's time for your fish around and find out field tip of the week. If you're ice fishing and you're not seeing fish, don't be afraid to move. It's not fun to pack up all your stuff once you get it all set up. But would you rather catch some fish? It's 8 a.m. I got the sunrise behind me. This is Chris right here. There he is. This is his first day ice fishing. I was just testing him. But we saw 0 fish. We're on our way to spot number 2.
Jumbo. Also not big enough. But I got you.
Pull him up to the camera.
Oh, Jesus.
Double up.
Yeah. Now go get your brother. That's older. Let go. Let go. Just got the hook out of its mouth, and then it opened its mouth and bit sideways down the fucking jig head. You freak out. That one looked plenty big enough. There we go. Fucking throated that bitch.
God damn it.
Ah. Perch actually go for jigs this big?
Yeah. They're big enough to fit in the mouth, they will.
Oh, you fucker. Oh.
There we go.
Nice. Now I got it.
Yeah, buddy.
It flops around everywhere. Okay. 2, 3 down. This is gone. It's done. Oh. City bugs. Oh, they're down there. They're down there. Get on there. You're just unfortunate. What are you thinking?
My heart was broke. I tried real hard.
Spread their tail plates out because they're trying to
big and scary. Look at the front of it.
They also like bite down like. Get ripped. Where are those fucking huge ones? Back from whence you came. God, they're not very bright.
No, they're not.
I broke this for a second, but it's just very bendy.
Yeah, that one's like super light.
Then your craw. Nice. Oh, you got one. Oh, you sucker.
These are perch.
No, I know.
Little tiny guy.
No.
There's a bunch of them.
That's so cool. Oh, come on, you.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, I haven't caught a perch in forever. Make sure to let them stab you. Oh, you're strong. Poor little guy. Are these keeper size?
That one's like borderline.
Another. They're huge. In parlance, these are known as. Put your hooks are broken off because I missed so many.
We gotta go, buddy. No, you fucking took the line.
Does me well.
Buckshot jig.
Oh, there's a big one. They're all tiny little things.
Yeah, the big ones are like beneath all of them.
They're just unfortunate. What are you thinking?
I thought it was food. I'm trying real hard over here.
Why did you do that? That's so stupid. Spread their gill plates out because they're trying to be like total.
I'm big and scary. Look at the front.
They also like bite down like fucking crazy.
Yep. I was watching yours and he'll go over and there's a fish with mine in his mouth.
Oh no.
Snagged him in the side. Oh, you. Double up.
Yeah. Now go get your brother. That's older, preferably. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go. I got the hook out of its mouth, and then it opened its mouth and bit sideways down the fucking jig head. You freak out. That one looked plenty big enough. Thank you.
What's my waxy? Oh yeah, you got him. Keep going.
Nice. Okay, sure. Let go.
You're so these
Jesus. You're so stupid.
I'm catching them on like
I'm catching them on an equivalent of a worm.
a buckshot jig.
Get wrecked. Where are those fucking huge ones? Back from whence you came. God, they're not very bright.
No, they're not.
I broke this for a second, but it's just very bendy.
Yeah, that one's like super light.
Then your craw. Thank you. I lost count.
Yeah. GoPro highlight.
Hope you got one. Oh, you sucker.
He's a perch.
No, I know.
Little tiny guy. There we go.
Nice. Now I gotta get rid of this thing. It flops around everywhere. I Okay. This is gone. It's gone. Oh!
What is this?
I had one for a moment.
God, there's so many. So many fish. Come on, that one's so bad. Oh, yeah, it's looking at you.
Please. They're so small. Huh?
Oh, we got a whole school down there. You better get your line back down the water. Damn it!
Let go, you idiot.
Alright, that's it for today. We made the right call on moving. And, Chris had a great time on his first ice fishing trip. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.